So hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with how to unstyle. So in today's video we're gonna to see how to draw a young or an old face. So I'm going to draw a young boy and an old grandma. So as you know, I have created a video of how to draw a female slash a male face, and this section is very important here because, as I told you, the chin of a young boy change when he becomes an adult or a grandpa. Yeah, so here we go. So the first thing to remember is to make the eyes much bigger for the younger age and make the eyes much smaller for grandma and elder people. And I suggest you to draw glasses because most of old people dress glasses. All right. The next thing is to change the hair color into more lighter section. I mean, you know, the most common hair color is white and gray for old people, and any hair color for any age apart from elder people. So the first young boy is about 12 to 15 years old, and the young and and the grandma is between 45 to 60 year old. Yeah, also for younger faces, make a thicker eyebrows, and for all elder people, make a thinner eyebrows. Okay, so yeah, I'm highlighting. Also there is the skin tone. You should apply some more lines on the skin tone to make a more elder skin tone, and I feel they are pretty nice and they are pretty good, and each one describe himself. Yeah, so that's what I have for today's video. I'm now highlighting to color it in digital art, so I'm gonna color it digitally, not traditionally. Okay, I gave the boy a very weird hairstyle because actually I don't want to give him my hairstyle or any normal hairstyle I have been drawing mostly, so I gave him this new hairstyle. This is the first time I'm drawing this hairstyle, so it looks pretty beautiful. And yeah, that's it. So let us see the coloring. Also I have rubbed the pencil lines before start coloring because actually they affect and they make the drawings much dirty while you are coloring it digitally. Okay, but there's the only problem. I told you I color digitally because I love digital art, but you can color it traditionally as you love. The coloring option doesn't matter a lot, only on the hair color. Just make the hair color much lighter and apply some gray and white colors. So let us see the final results together. So here we go. So the main important thing to remember is to change the eye size and to make a lighter hair and to make the eyebrows much smaller, and that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.